Okay, so I am remaking the beginning of the video because I was using Derek's phone and a lot of it I kind of messed up on because I was turning his phone the wrong way, and I thought if I sent you that video it would definitely make you a little sick to your stomach. So you can't really tell right now, it's getting a little darker, but you can definitely see the ocean from here. It's off in the distance. We are in the middle of the rainforest. Not the middle, we're actually on the very edge. We had some gorgeous sunsets here just a little bit ago, and I'm excited to send this to all of our family. Justin, Stephanie, Emily, Andrew, Nicole, Andy, Sebastian, and Liam. This is where we need to vacation next year together. This place is amazing. It's one of the most beautiful places that I've ever stayed. Definitely have stayed at some gorgeous different islands and resorts, but nothing like this. Already just hearing the jungle kind of come alive, hearing the birds, seeing little lizards everywhere. And I may have already mentioned this, but this place has enough hammocks for almost our entire family to chill on at one time. Can't get any better than that, can it? This pool is very deep. It's a great pool for diving. The kids would love this. We love it. And I showed this view earlier, now it's a little darker, so I don't know if you're gonna see the view I'm about to take you on. Gorgeous flowers everywhere. Up this way, there's just a nice little view of the rainforest. Right here's just a little laundry facility. If you look close, you might see little baby geckos running around. And when it gets a little lighter, you'll be able to see the rainforest a little more, but it's really nice and comes alive at night. And one amazing thing about this place is that it is a fairly short drive from San Juan Airport. It is about a 10 to 15 minute drive to the ocean. Of course, we're right next to the rainforest, so we could do some hiking, go to waterfalls. And this is a little outdoor guest room. And this is the room I envisioned for Emily Lynn. Emily, you would definitely have to be prepared and maybe see a gecko in here, as we did when we first got here. But you got to enjoy nature when you're here. This room is big enough, you could probably invite a friend. our nice handyman that is doing a little work around the property. And now we're going to enter into the kitchen. This is not your typical American huge kitchen, but it's everything you need. Hi, Sherry.
Hey, how are you? Hola. Hi.
Okay.
Okay.
Sherry Berry and Jorge Suave are definitely getting relaxed.
Put your desk here up. Oh, there's sounds of animals outside.
And here we enter the family dining room. We could all sit around this table and enjoy some nice dinners. More fresh flowers. Look at these beautiful murals. Completely set up with nice china. Hello, everyone. And I'm going to pause right now and continue the tour.